What's up? It's day 24 of my daily 10 workout program, and today we are getting in an upper body workout. We're using some dumbbells for added resistance, so go grab yours and then get ready. We're starting right now.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something, 'cause I feel alone in a room surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? I just wanna be with you. Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the sun. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? I can't get enough, I can't get enough. I can't get enough, I can't get enough.
Everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, can you feel the groove? Grab somebody, let it go. Ooh, everybody, grab somebody. Everybody, grab somebody.
You got me feeling, you got me feeling alright. Whenever I'm around you, baby, you make me feel so
Nice work, team. I hope you're feeling good and strong in that upper body after today's quick 10-minute workout. If you're looking for a little extra, don't forget there's always a link to a video in the description box that will pair perfectly with today's quick 10-minute workout. Now enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys at the next workout. Now enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys at the next session. Now enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys at the next sweat sesh.